Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this part, we'll explore popular varieties of Australian meat pies and walk through the steps to bake your own at home. A quick and satisfying lunch on the go. Beyond the sporting arena, the meat pie shines as a go-to meal for busy Australians. Whether you're a tradie on a building site or an office worker grabbing a quick bite, a meat pie offers a hot, filling and convenient lunch. You can easily find them in bakeries, convenience stores, and even at service stations across the country. Plus, they're designed for eating on the move. Just ask for it in a paper bag and you're good to go. It offers much-needed substance to keep you going through a long day. The ultimate comfort food for all seasons. No matter the weather outside, the meat pie remains a beloved comfort food. On a chilly winter's day, its warmth and savory filling feel incredibly comforting. It's like a hug in a pastry crust. Yet, even in the heat of summer, Australians still crave this classic. It's often paired with a cold drink, proving its year-round appeal. Its consistent ability to satisfy and comfort makes it a staple in Australian homes and beyond. Baking your own. Tips for crafting the perfect homemade Australian meat pie. Ready to bring the taste of Australia right into your kitchen? Making your own meat pies at home is a rewarding experience. It lets you customize the flavors and enjoy that unique comfort food whenever you like. We will walk you through the process, from picking the right ingredients to fixing common baking issues. Essential ingredients and equipment. List key ingredients and necessary kitchen tools for successful pie making. Before you start, gather everything you need. Having the right tools and ingredients makes a big difference in your pie success. Think of it like a chef preparing their station. Here are the key items you will need. For the pastry. Plain flour. This forms the base of your shortcrust pastry. Cold butter or shortening. Cold fat is crucial for a flaky texture. Iced water helps bring the dough together without overworking it. Puff pastry sheets for the top crust, to get that classic lift. For the filling. Beef mince, ground beef. The traditional choice, offering rich flavor. Onion and garlic. Essential aromatics for a flavorful base. Beef broth or stock. Adds depth and moisture to the filling. Tomato paste. For a hint of sweetness and deeper color. Worcestershire sauce. A classic secret ingredient for umami. Cornstarch or plain flour, to thicken your gravy. Salt and pepper. To taste. Essential equipment. Pie tins or muffin tins. Individual pie tins, about 4 inches wide, are ideal. Muffin tins work for many pies. Rolling pin. For rolling out your pastry dough. Mixing bowls. For preparing both the pastry and filling. Large saucepan or Dutch oven. To cook your meat filling. Pastry brush. For egg wash, giving your pies a golden shine. Baking sheet. To place your pies on in the oven. Step-by-step pie assembly. From pastry to perfection. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's put it all together. Assembling a meat pie is not overly complicated, but following a good sequence helps you achieve a perfect result. Prepare the filling. Brown your beef mince with onion and garlic in a saucepan. Drain any excess fat. Add beef broth, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, and seasonings. Simmer until the meat is tender and the flavors combine, then thicken with cornstarch or flour until it forms a rich gravy. Let it cool completely. A cool filling prevents a soggy bottom crust. Make or prepare the base pastry. If making shortcrust pastry from scratch, gently mix cold butter into the flour until crumbly, then add ice water binding the dough. Do not overmix. If using store-bought shortcrust, roll it out evenly. Cut circles large enough to line your pie tins, pressing them gently into place. Trim any excess. Blind bake the base, optional but recommended. For a truly crisp base, Pierce the bottom of your pastry with a fork. Line with parchment paper and fill with baking weights or dried beans. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius until lightly golden. Remove weights and paper. This step helps prevent a soggy bottom. Fill the pies. Spoon the cooled meat filling into each pastry-lined tin. Make sure you do not overfill. Leave a little space at the top for the lid. Add the top pastry. Roll out your puff pastry and cut circles slightly larger than the tops of your pies. Moisten the edges of the bottom pastry with a little water or egg wash. Place the puff pastry circles over the filling, pressing down firmly along the edges to seal. You can crimp the edges with a fork for a decorative look. Vent and glaze. Cut a small slit or two in the center of each pie top. This allows steam to escape during baking. Brush the tops with an egg wash, beat an egg with a little water, for a beautiful golden brown finish. Bake. Place your pies on a baking sheet and bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 25 to 35 minutes. Bake until the pastry is golden brown and puffed, and the filling is bubbling. Troubleshooting common pie problems. Even experienced bakers run into issues sometimes. Do not worry if your first pie is not perfect. Knowing how to fix common problems can save your next batch. Here are some typical issues and their simple fixes. Soggy bottom. Why it happens? The pie filling's moisture seeps into the bottom crust, making it soft. Solutions. Blind bake your base pastry. This creates a barrier against moisture. Cool the filling completely. Hot filling creates more steam. Thicken your filling appropriately. A runny filling has more moisture to seep out. Cracking crust. Why it happens? The pastry is too dry or overworked, or undergoes a sudden temperature change. Solutions. Do not overwork the dough. Handle pastry gently to keep it tender. Ensure dough is hydrated. Add a tiny bit more iced water if the dough feels too crumbly. Avoid drastic temperature changes. Let chilled dough sit out for a few minutes before rolling. Filling boils over. Why it happens? Pies are overfilled, or the vents are too small. Solutions. Do not overfill the tins. Leave space between the filling and the top crust. Make larger vents. Ensure steam can escape easily. Place pies on a baking sheet. This catches any drips and makes cleanup easier. Pale or unevenly browned crust. Why it happens? Not enough egg wash, or uneven oven temperature. Solutions. Apply a generous egg wash. This helps with browning. Rotate your baking sheet. Turn it halfway through baking for even browning. Check oven temperature. An oven thermometer can confirm if your oven is running hot or cold. With these tips, you are well on your way to baking delicious, homemade Australian meat pies that rival those from your favorite bakery. Enjoy the process. The Australian meat pie stands as a true national symbol, more than just a dish, but a shared experience. It embodies comfort and tradition, deeply woven into the fabric of daily Australian life. From bustling city bakeries to the quiet moments of a home kitchen, its appeal remains strong. The meat pie continues to hold a special place in the hearts and bellies of Australians, a testament to its enduring simplicity and satisfying taste. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.